Actually, I'll read it now.
Say hi.
I got a cute one here.
Yeah.
My grandson.
Savory pepper.
Cool Hand Luke, see?
Yep. Hey,
Cool.
Luke.
Cool Hand Luke right
Hi,
here,
Luke.
everyone.
How's it going?
It's the Cool Hand.
You gonna smile for us?
You gonna smile, Luke?
So I'm not really into smiling. I'm trying to figure out who this guy is.
Dad, I did tell you that your presents are at home, right?
Look, I don't care about
I
nothing.
bought your card, though.
Hey, that is something.
So, sister, you wanted the chicken griller? Chicken and
Yes, please.
shrimp, or
Just chicken,
Be
thank
sure
you.
you do it the one on Union.
Yeah.
chicken griller for the sister? Dad, you wanted the filet and the stuffed shrimp?
Big yawn.
I hope you're getting this on film.
I
now.
am. Don't
Well,
poke your
don't
eye
scratch
out.
your eye
Yeah, that's not a good idea. So who is that guy?
You're my favorite grandson.
Oh, that's
Lucky.
that's high praise, Luke.
You're like my favorite grandson.
Because he's the #1 grandson.
Yeah, he is #1.
Yes, he is.
Oh.